Alright, just a quick video of replace the ignition switch now, and it actually works. The car stereo switches off when I take the keys out of the ignition. And just to prove it, take the steering wheel lock off. So steering wheel lock off. There's the radio there. Keys out. Power off, and also with the keys out the ignition if you leave the indicators on. Found out that as well, but as a note for the different things what you've got to do, there's a T25 Allen screw here. You have the way I got off, I took off the cowl down the bottom here. It was easier. You've got 3 8mm screws. There's one over here, one over there, and one by the fuse box. I took this cover off the handle. These are T25 screws as well. Then what you got to do is you got to pop the cover here. It's easier popping it from here first, and then there's a cover here. Behind here you've got to rotate the steering wheel because there's 2 T25 screws, and the ignition barrel's here, and I had to use 2 small screwdrivers to push it out. Just in case the pictures don't do the reference on it. I didn't actually replace the cable that come with it because it was too much of a faff on, but basically it's in case the cable come with it, what you're actually pushing on when you get the screwdrivers is these little plugs here. You've got to put equal pressure on both sides, and you're pushing these in. When you push them in, it lifts them out. And there's a bit where it says you've got to turn it when it's in the on position. It's pretty much self-explanatory, but basically when you turn the keys, this little bit here lines up with the blade off the key itself, so it just goes straight on. And also when you push it in, it's at a slight angle. This edge here lines up with a gap in the ignition barrel, so there's only one way to actually fit it. It gets fitted like that there, and once it goes in, it clicks straight in, it pushes all the way in, and then it's just reconnecting and testing out. Obviously when I did this I disconnected the battery because it's safe, 10mm for the battery, and took it off the negative lead. And I've just got a program, obviously the radio unit code more than likely, and obviously the steering wheel alignment because that'll be out, but other than that the car's fixed, and I'll scan it with VAGCOM when I'm finished.